Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a sleek and functional inline editing UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the component you're seeing on the screen now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a basic container with padding using the P4 class. Inside, we'll add a div with some padding, a border, and rounded corners using P2, border, and rounded. We'll also set the background to a light gray and the text to a darker gray using BG Gray 100 and Text Gray 800. Finally, we'll add a paragraph with the text, click to edit. Next, let's add a hover effect to the div. We'll use the Hover BG Gray 200 class to change the background color when the user hovers over it. Now let's ensure that when the div is focused, it doesn't show any default browser outline. We'll use the Focus Outline None class for this. To make our component responsive, let's set the width to full using the WFull class. Let's replace the paragraph with an input field. Set its type to text and make it transparent using BG Transparent. This will allow users to edit the text directly. To improve user experience, let's add an on-focus event to the input field that selects the text when the input is focused. Let's add a placeholder to the input field with the text Edit Me to guide users on what to do. For accessibility, let's add an area label to the input field with the description Editable Text. Let's add a small instructional text below the input field to inform users that they can click the text to edit. We'll style it with Text SM, Text Gray 500, and Mount 2 for a small margin on top. For visual appeal, let's add a placeholder image below the text. We'll use the placehold.co API to generate a 100 by 100 image, center it using MX Auto, and add a top margin using Mount 4. Let's add a Save button below the image. Style it with BG Blue 500, Text White, P2, and Rounded for a nice button appearance. Add a top margin using Mount 4. Add a hover effect to the Save button using Hover, BG Blue 600, to change its background color on hover. Ensure the Save button doesn't show any default browser outline on focus by adding Focus Outline None. Finally, let's add a small disclaimer text at the bottom with asterisk. This is a demo component. Style it with Text X's, Text Gray 400, and Mount 2. In this video, we covered how to build an inline editing UI component using Tailwind CSS. We started with a basic structure and gradually enhanced it with styling and functionality. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.